Hi traders, it's Ray here from TradeView. Welcome to episode 236 of the Trading Talk series. In this episode, I'll be showing you through using some familiar trend strategies to build a system that places trades quickly on a 1-minute time frame. Seeing activity in your trading can be exciting, and so a model that places trades as often as like this one can be quite engaging. In this episode, I run the test across 6 weeks in which there were 38 trading days, and this model placed a total of 2,223 trades. That's almost 60 trades per day. So if that doesn't get you excited, then I'm not sure what will. If you don't already have some great algorithms running, let us be the ones to help you. We have sorted out our last ticket for the in-house systems building day in June, but we do have a couple of seats available for our in-house systems building day in September. So if you want to take your trading to the next level, call in and get your seat booked right away. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Trading Talk, and until next time, all the best with your trading.